Hello everybody, my name is Quakin Bacon. I really hope you enjoyed that last video, because that was scary as crap. Very intense. I'm joined today by my bestest buddy in the whole world. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm InstaBurst. Don't subscribe to me because my content sucks.
Go subscribe to him. Why not? He could use more support. I want to see my buddy succeed.
Yeah, I'm 10 subs away from 3K, so...
Bro, you know, what we were doing the other day, we were like, you are such a nice guy.
That was so much fun.
It was really hard to not just, like, start insulting each other. Oh, by the way, I'm sure you saw it in the thumbnail.
Love
you. You excellent person, you.
God, you're so talented.
I mean, you probably saw it in the thumbnail and the title, but, you know, no point in hiding it now. Slash Valkyrie Blitz Power versus the Lord of One Shot, Hero Samuriazor Sting Extreme. Let's get this underway. You want to go first one to 15?
I think you should go to 20. There's going to be a lot of bursts.
Okay. Let's go!
Like that one.
Lord of One Shot right away, bro.
Gotta say, you know, a lot of people don't like Slash, but I really do because it's fun.
Yeah, I like Slash too, and it's not as ass as everyone says. That's 2-0 though. Woo!
Oh.
2-1. Full power.
2-1.
4-1.
That
doesn't have the 4-1 to come back. I stole your joke.
My joke.
I stole your only stupid joke. 5-1. Woo!
Doesn't have the 5-1 to come back.
Dude, it kind of took a little hunk out of my my Samuraizor.
Ooh, it's pissed. It's like, I might not be able to beat you, but I can damage you.
What's that one Fantastic Four character's catchphrase?
I don't know. I haven't seen Fantastic Four in an extremely long time.
Oh, it's clobbering time!
Oh, it's clobber time!
Dude, the driver just disappeared. Hang on, guys, I'll be right back. Alright, all of Valkyrie's parts have been located. That was easy.
It took him 25 minutes.
It did not, that's a lie.
Shush.
Jeez. No, the driver ran away again!
Not again, wait.
Shoot, I'll be right back, guys. Alright, 7-1, that's easy clap.
Just not fair.
No, it was not. The Samuraizor wouldn't go on the launcher. We're gonna redo that. I barely launched it that time. Not 8-1.
Samuraizor, could you just?
Oh!
You don't have to be that mean to it. Jeez.
10-1. Jeez. I don't really want to do battles with this anymore. It's damaging my Valkyrie.
No.
Yes! Get it!
Wait, I have an idea.
What?
Switch to your green / layer base.
Nah, it's alright.
Oh, you're just not
It's ugly.
smart.
Like you fat Asian.
Oh.
11-1. Nice try. 12-1.
Get a point for me, Valkyrie. I'm vibing with Valkyrie.
Oh, snap.
Did you see that? That was my vibe.
Lies.
True.
Here, let me vibe check.
You just have to vibe with your bae.
What is that?
10-2?
No, dude, I'm in like 11. I'm thinking it's 12-2.
Okay.
12-2.
Huh.
Easy clap. 13-2. I'm almost feeling bad. I almost feel bad. 14-2.
I want you to know we're only at 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Jeez. Gonna need a little sport out of you, Valkyrie. No? Nothing? Okay.
Dang.
That was like the most pathetic Bay battle I've ever seen. Come on, Valkyrie, you can do it. Maybe not.
Alright, I'll vibe with Valkyrie. Valkyrie, come on.
16-2. 17-2. Jeez.
Valkyrie, come on, I'm giving you the vibes.
It's over.
Yes. No.
18-2. Draw.
Whoa.
18-2. That was kind of cool.
That's right, Valkyrie. That's no.
Shut up, Insta. That's right, Valkyrie. You can.
You just hit 7 minutes.
20-2. Easy clap.
That was an
And
easy
for some
clap
of you out
round.
there who apparently are completionists, I may have been off by 1 point. We weren't sure. We were debating. So just for the sake of total and utter victory.
Give him one more, just in case we got a point wrong or something.
Just one more. Alright, so for anyone who has anything to say in the comment section. Alright. Thank you everybody for watching. This has been the clapping of Valkyrie's cheeks. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.